A man may not be afraid of a ravenous lion, but he trembles at a small spider. These instinctive fears are not without reason. In general, the most dangerous animals are the ones we don't expect, and our instincts have known these dangers for thousands of years and fear some animals, even the most beautiful ones, for seemingly no reason. But these fears are not unfounded. In this video, we introduce some of the most poisonous animals and their habitats that have aroused the instinctive fear of humans. Animals that maybe we did not expect to be so scary from them. Number 1. Golden dart. Frog. Contrary to its false appearance, this golden frog is the most poisonous creature on Earth. One of these frogs has enough poison in its body to kill more than 10 adult men in 3 minutes. So far, scientists have not been able to find out the exact reason for the toxicity of these types of frogs. They traced the species dating back to 45 million years ago in the forests of northern South Africa and found that their ancestors were not poisonous. There is speculation that these creatures did not produce the poison themselves, but rather ingested large amounts of plant poison, often carried by their prey, such as flies, poisonous ants, crickets, beetles, and termites. Their upper body fuel may have allowed them to resist and even absorb the poison. This theory was strengthened when frogs that were raised in a laboratory environment did not secrete toxins. Bright yellow frogs are found only in small rainforests on the coast of Colombia, and their color sometimes varies between yellow, orange, or pale green. The shiny appearance of these animals is a trick to scare potential attackers. According to a 2001 study by Kyle Summers of East Carolina University in Greenville, the shiniest frogs are always the most poisonous. Simply touching this species of frog does not necessarily put you in danger of being killed, as the two creatures only secrete poison when they are frightened. But picking up these tiny creatures and holding them in the palm of your hand for more than a few seconds without gloves is suicidal. The surface of the frog skin is quickly covered with a poison that has the ability to paralyze the nerves. In less than a minute, the victim experiences uncontrollable muscle cramps, and eventually his heart stops working. Number 2. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is the name of a genus of wandering spiders, native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. Its body color is dark, and its length is about 17 km. Brazilian wandering spiders roam the forest floor at night, which is why they are called wandering spiders. During the day, they hide under rocks, and especially in the leaves of banana fruits, which is why they are also called banana spiders. Sometimes they are sent to other regions in banana boxes. If they enter a person's house, they enter the wardrobe or shoes. They are very poisonous and aggressive and will sting several times if threatened. Brazilian wandering spiders are the world's most venomous spiders in the Guinness World Records. 0.6 milligram of their venom can kill a mouse. The bite of these spiders can kill a person in an hour. They are responsible for more human deaths than any other spider species. However, most children under the age of 7 are their victims. Shortness of breath, excessive salivation, tremors, and painful erections are some of the symptoms of being bitten by a Brazilian wandering spider. These animals usually live 1 to 2 years. They mate during the dry season from April to June, which leads to frequent sightings of the species during this time. Number 3. The taipan snake is one of the species of poisonous snakes found in the tropical regions of Southeast Asia and Australia. This snake is considered one of the most popular beautiful snakes in the world due to its beautiful colors and special body patterns. The taipan snake is the largest venomous snake in the world and can reach a length of 6 meters. This snake is found in different colors, such as black, yellow, brown, and white. Taipan body patterns are also diverse and can have horizontal stripes, vertical stripes, or dark centers. Taipan snake is one of the most poisonous snakes in the world. The venom of this snake contains a combination of nerve and blood toxins that can quickly cause death to humans. If you come into contact with a taipan snake, you will experience symptoms such as severe pain, swelling, nausea, vomiting, and other toxic symptoms. In case of exposure to taipan snake venom, you should be taken to the hospital immediately and receive professional treatment. As a venomous snake, the taipan is naturally fearsome and dangerous in its environment, but it should be noted that the taipan snake cannot attack directly and only defends itself in case of threat or danger. Therefore, if you are in areas where the taipan snake lives, you should avoid direct contact with it and use safety measures such as wearing appropriate clothing and wearing protective boots. Also, if you live in areas where the taipan snake exists, you can protect yourself from the dangers associated with it by having enough information about this snake and its behaviors. Knowing the symptoms and treatment of taipan snake venom attack can also be very useful in emergency situations. Finally, protecting the environment and preserving the natural habitat of the taipan snake is also very important. Reducing the destruction of the environment and preserving natural areas can lead to a reduction in the number of human encounters with these snakes and, as a result, reduce accidents related to them. Number 4. The cone snail is known as one of the deadliest animals in the world, having a poisonous spear that it uses to hunt its prey. Cone snails are a group of marine snails found in oceans and tropical seas around the world. Cone snails have highly specialized teeth called radula, which are like a combination of hypodermic needle and spear, and act to attack and poison the prey. The snail's venom targets the nervous system and paralyzes the prey, allowing the slow predator to eat its food easily. Cone snail tusks are constantly regrowing, so this animal is rarely without its deadly spear. According to Ronald Jenner of the Natural History Museum in London, for cone snail species that prey on fish, it is especially important to have a strong and fast-acting venom because otherwise the fish easily escape the clutches of their snail predator, the beautiful shape of the cone conch shell. Also, looks like an attractive souvenir that can put unsuspecting divers at risk of being bitten by this creature because large cone snails have a case that is large enough to penetrate a wetsuit. Historically, about 65% of people bitten by cone snails die if not treated in time. Currently, there is no drug to neutralize the conotoxin of this snail. All that can be done is limited to treating the symptoms and trying to keep the victim alive until the poison is removed. Number 5. The death scorpion is a poisonous animal found in many parts of the world. This animal belongs to the family of large scorpions and has a very strong poison that can be fatal in contact with humans. The death scorpion lives mostly in tropical and desert areas and is usually found under rocks, trees, and underbushes. The poison of the death scorpion contains a combination of toxic compounds that cause different effects in the human body. This poison can cause severe pain, swelling, nausea, vomiting, convulsions, impaired heart and breathing, and in severe cases can lead to death. To treat the death scorpion, the first step should be to chase the scorpion and avoid further contact with the body. Then, he should be immediately transferred to the treatment center and detoxification treatment should be done. If the treatment is not done on time, it can have serious and even fatal complications. death scorpion is known as a dangerous animal, and necessary precautions should be taken in dealing with it. This includes the use of the death scorpion, one of the poisonous insects found in some parts of the world. This insect is found in most tropical and subtropical regions, and mostly lives in deserts and dry and desert areas. The death scorpion has 2 hooks on its tail, which makes it easy to attack its victims. The venom of the death scorpion is very strong and poisonous and can lead to death in some cases. Symptoms following a death scorpion lesion include severe pain, swelling, redness, and tenderness. If you come into contact with a death scorpion, you should immediately go to the nearest medical center. The death scorpion is one of the most important insects in the food chain and plays an important role in controlling the population of other insects. Also, some research has shown that the poison of the death scorpion can be effective in treating some diseases such as cancer. Finally, the death scorpion is an interesting and dangerous animal that is significant to humans and other animals. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for support.